Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a translate feature on Google Chrome. So if you visit or if you open a page with a foreign language like a Japanese, Chinese, Arabic and so on, and you need a translator, maybe this web doesn't support the translate, or other website that you visit doesn't have a translator edition, like a Russian especially. And there's a feature how you can change it to English, to Korean, to Chinese simplified or traditional. You can use the translate by Google Chrome. Here you can click three dots beside at the top of your screen and use the translate feature. You can click it. By default it's Japanese, but you can change into the English one. And here we go. Now the text are translated into the English, but maybe not a perfect translation, but I assure you got the point of this text. So feel free to try to use translate feature on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.